It's time once again for the Law and You. Sitting in our legal chairs every day are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, nice to have you on the show again.
Thanks for having us, Dave.
And they're ready to answer this next question that involves cancer. Let's get to it from Jane in Hazleton. I was recently diagnosed with cancer that my doctor says my family doctor missed 3 years ago. I know there is a 2-year statute of limitations in Pennsylvania. Is there anything I can do? My cancer doctor told me if he caught this 3 years ago, the cure rate would have been 100%. Is this a medical malpractice, or are we talking something different here?
It can be a medical malpractice. As you said, the statute of limitations in Pennsylvania, generally speaking, is 2 years. Now, there is an exception to that, and that exception often applies in cases involving cancer. The exception is this. It's called the discovery rule. Once you realize that the negligence was committed, once you realize that you have the cancer, that's when your clock really starts to tick. So whenever you would have gotten diagnosed with the cancer by your cancer doctor, that's when your clock would start to tick for the statute of limitations. So it wouldn't have been from when your family doctor missed it. It would be when you found out about it. And I would highly recommend that you talk to somebody, talk to an attorney that deals with medical malpractice cases. We handle medical malpractice cases all the time, and especially cancer cases.
Yeah, and Ed's right, because the medical malpractice is a very specialized area that an attorney needs to have extensive knowledge of medicine and the law. So it's very important that you select the right lawyer to handle that case, because again, they are hotly contested. It's going to be a fist fight, and you need a law firm and lawyers who are going to stand up and fight for you.
All right, some great information. And our viewers who may need more help, how can they reach you?
They can call us on the phone at 570-714-HURT, or they can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And go to our Facebook page as well. And if you like us on our Facebook page and you have a question for the Law and You, you can put it on our page, and we'll do our best to answer it on the next Law and You segment.
All right, they serve all of northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, where results matter. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
All right, you can get your question right here on the Law and You by visiting PAHomepage.com.